I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to activate two-step verification on Snapchat. For that, first of all, open up your app. After you open up the app, you'll see your profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. So now tap on the settings icon which is on top right corner. There, under my account category, you'll see two-factor authentication option. Tap on it. Two-factor authentication is an additional layer of security to your account. It requires an additional login code which will be sent via SMS. Tap on continue. Remember that if you lose access to your way to generate a login code, you may be locked out of your account. If you're sure you want to activate your two-factor authentication, tap on Let's Do It. Now you'll have to choose a way to receive your verification code. I'm going to choose SMS. Now a verification code will be sent to you. Enter your verification code and tap on continue. Now take a screenshot of your backup code by tapping on Save Screenshot. After you are done, tap on Next, which is on top right corner. After that, tap on Skip. This way you can easily activate your two-factor authentication on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.